Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you measures of dispersion. Under this, I will be explaining you coefficient of variance. CV is calculated with the formula standard deviation divided by mean into 100. It is always calculated in percentage terms, right? Now say suppose an example has been given. A batsman is to be selected for a cricket team. The choice is between X and Y. Now we are having two choices, X and Y, on the basis of their 5 previous scores. Scores are given for X and for Y. Two different scores are given. Now the question is which batsman, that means we have to select a batsman, but which thing we have to focus over the batsman is number 1, a higher run getter. If we have to choose the higher run getter, then which batsman we have to choose, and if our choice is to get the more reliable batsman, then what will be our preferences and how we will select the higher most reliable batsman among these two, X or Y. So for selecting the batsman we need to calculate CV. अगर higher run getter चाहिए तो for higher run getter we only need the average. A person with higher average will be selected as a higher run getter, and when we have to check the consistency of a person or the reliability, then we have to calculate CV. A person with less CV will be more reliable because the variation is less in that particular person. सो CV हम लोग देखते हैं रिलायबिलिटी के लिए या कंसिस्टेंसी के लिए. क्वेश्चन में कंसिस्टेंट भी आ सकता है वर्ड. कंसिस्टेंसी या रिलायबिलिटी के लिए जिसका CV कम होगा दैट पर्सन विल बी सिलेक्टेड. एंड फॉर एवरेज हायर रन गेटर, एवरेज जिसका ज़्यादा होगा दैट विल बी सिलेक्टेड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट हाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. एक कॉलम हमने ले लिया X का, एक कॉलम हमने ले लिया Y का. बहुत सारे बच्चे इसमें कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, इसको X मान लेते हैं, इसको फ्रीक्वेंसी मान लेते हैं. नो, ये इंडिविजुअल सीरीज है. ये दो अलग अलग हमारे पास सीरीज हैं, दोनों का अलग अलग मीन निकलेगा, दोनों का अलग अलग CV निकलेगा. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग इंडिविजुअल सीरीज. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट. हाउ विल वी सॉल्व इट? हम इसकी वैल्यूज लिख लेंगे पहले असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, राइट. 40, 80, 85 एंड 120. Y को भी हम लोग असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिख लेंगे 45, 50, 65, 70 and 80. Now we have to calculate deviation. Deviations are always calculated by the mean in the direct method. Individual series direct method, deviations are calculated with the help of arithmetic mean. So first we have to calculate arithmetic mean, sigma x over n. You can also use shortcut method. उसके लिए फॉर्मूला भी मीन का चेंज हो जाएगा. लाइक यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट सिग्मा डी ओवर ए प्लस सिग्मा डी ओवर एन. और डी किससे कैलकुलेट होगा? अज्यूम्ड मीन से. तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू विच मेथड यू यूज. बेटर चूज द सेम मेथड इन बोथ द सीरीज. अगर आप इसमें शॉर्टकट लगा रहे हो तो इसमें भी शॉर्टकट ही लगाओ, इसमें डायरेक्ट लगा रहे हो तो इसमें भी डायरेक्ट ही लगाओ. तो अभी आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट विद डायरेक्ट मेथड. तो अगर हम डायरेक्ट मेथड से करते हैं तो हमारा मीन क्या आता है, तो उसके लिए हमें सिग्मा एक्स निकालना है. व्हेन वील डू द टोटल ऑफ 25, 40, 80, 85 एंड 120, व्हाट वी गेट इज 350. इट इज 350. एंड डूइंग द टोटल ऑफ y, सिग्मा y, it is 310. I hope this is clear to you how I have found the CV, how I have found the sigma y and sigma x. Now to calculate mean, इसके लिए हम y बार लिख लेते हैं सिग्मा y ओवर n, क्योंकि ये y है और ये x है, दोनों के लिए x लिखेंगे तो we'll get confused. मीन निकालेंगे 350 डिवाइड बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 70 रन्स, और ये आ जाएगा 310 डिवाइड बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 62 runs. So here we got the 62 runs. हमें ये तो पता चल गया कि किसका एवरेज ज़्यादा है. और इसके बाद हम निकालेंगे CV. CV के लिए हमें क्या निकालना होगा? स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन, बिकॉज CV का फॉर्मूला क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन अपॉन मीन इनटू 100. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन, एंड टू कैलकुलेट स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन बाय डायरेक्ट मेथड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट D स्क्वायर. तो D क्या होगा? 25 माइनस 70 माइनस 45, 40 माइनस 70 माइनस 30, 80 minus 70, 10, 85 minus 70, 15, and 120 minus 70 is 50. By doing the square of this deviation, minus 45 into minus 45, it becomes 20, 25. 30 into 30, 900. 10 into 10, 100. 15 into 15, 225. And 50 into 50, 2500. By doing the total, sigma d square, we get 5750. Likewise, we do the same for y. It will be y minus y bar. Let us pound it. 45 minus 62, we get minus 17. 50 minus 62, minus 12. 65 minus 62 is 3. 70 minus 62 is 8. And 80 minus 62 is 18. Now here also we have to find d square. So 17 into 17, it is 289. 12 into 12, 144. 3 into 3, 9. 8 into 8, 64. And 18 into 18, 324. Same here, likewise we will find the total of sigma d square for the y person as well. It will be 830. Now after getting this d square, we will find standard deviation. Let us find the standard deviation. It is under root sigma d square over n. Same here for y person as well. Standard deviation is equal to under root sigma d square over n. By putting the value of d square here is under root 5750 divided by 5. It will become under root 1150. Now here under root 830 divided by 5. It becomes under root 166. By calculating, by solving it further, under root 1150, we get 33.91 runs. And here, by solving the root 166, we get 12.88 runs. By using this, we will find coefficient of variation, standard deviation over mean in 200. Here same, coefficient of variation, standard deviation over mean in 200. By putting the values of the mean and the standard deviation. Standard deviation is 33.91. Divide by mean is 70 in 200. And here standard deviation is 12.88. Divide by 62 into 100. By solving it, we get 48.44% here. And for this, we get 20.77%. So this is what we have got. CV also we have got, and we have also got mean. Now how do we interpret it? We will interpret it by the values. First is, we have been asked which batsman is a higher run getter. If we have to select a higher run getter, then which batsman is a higher run getter, and we will select that batsman. So now we have, for this we have to see the average, right? Now when we look at the average, that means mean, we know that the average of X is more than the average of Y. That means our interpretation will be, we will write like this, that batsman X will be selected. He is a higher run getter. Batsman X is a higher run getter, higher run scorer, as his average score, as his average score is 70 runs, which is greater than the average score of Y, that is 62 runs. Now when we talk about the second question is which one is more reliable. For this we have to see CV, coefficient of variance, और जिसका कम होगा that person is more reliable. So we can see that CV X का 48.44% है और Y का 20.77%. तो that means कौन सा ज़्यादा reliable है? Y. So we will write it, batsman Y is a more reliable batsman. Y batsman is a more reliable batsman because his CV is less, right? That is he is more consistent because his CV कितना है इसका CV 20.77% is less than CV of X, that is 48.44%. This will be the answer. I hope you understood how you have to calculate the questions regarding the CV. If you face any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you all.